Okay, hello. How is everybody? This stream is going to be weird. There's no real plan for it, other than we just keep streaming until midnight and then possibly a little bit beyond midnight. So we will probably do some hacking. All right, we have an IP address. So I'm going to copy this. It's so simple. So we're going to open up a new terminal. Okay, I'm going to create some notes. SoSimple, and I'll just put that in there. Okay, so now I'll flip my screen upside down for 5 minutes. Okay, keep changes. All right, so for you guys, it's still the right way up. But for me, everything is upside down, at least on this monitor. So I need to start a... Can't even remember where to start my countdown. 5 minutes. Yes, okay. Okay, so we have a countdown going. There we go. All right, so we are going... Where am I? Okay. Gonna run auto recon. Config, and then the IP address. Okay, so we'll get that port scan running. Okay, discovered port 80 and port 22. So we're gonna go down and we're going to open up browser using Notion. I've been using Notion Enhanced for quite a while now. Okay. So simple. Okay, view source. Okay, so you see, okay, there's something hidden down here. The only reason I knew that was because I saw by default it won't display line numbers unless there are lines. So in this case, yeah, there's nothing really there. Okay, so it says hi, nothing obvious here at the bottom of. Oh, okay, source code. Just look further. Oh, just look further. So that would be right. So can I go here? Well, I don't know what that's about. Maybe we should curl it. The white font wouldn't matter because it's viewing the source code. If we curl it though, okay, I don't see anything there. I guess we can curl it into XXD, just in case there is something bizarre, but it doesn't look like it. So the last character is a new line symbol. So that might just be a yeah, they might mean enumerate further. Is the screen upside down? Yes, it is. It is for me. Not for you, because that really doesn't make any sense. It's more frustrating for me. And honestly, I used to take a picture of my phone and flip it around to prove it. But to be honest with you, it's remarkably obvious that it's upside down because I become as slow as a freaking tortoise trying to do anything, and I also misclick everything. Okay, so okay, see, I didn't even mean to click that. I meant to click up here. Okay, what else do we get? All right, so it did finish. Okay, good. Which means there wasn't much. So I need to go into here. Proving Grounds. Where's SoSimple? There we go. SoSimple. Exactly. Like if anyone doesn't think my screen is upside down, I don't know what I can do. You're not going to believe anything. All right, scans. There we go. All right, TCP 80. I mean, so this is the curl one. So Ferox Buster, did we find anything interesting? We did. We found a word. That's okay. Yes, WordPress. I almost said it with an M because it looks like an M upside down. Okay, what if we got a my backup.txt as well? Other than that, I think that's everything, right? Yeah, everything else is a 403. So let's look at the my backup. Index.html is just going to be the thing that we loaded originally. That is how the web works. So let's just load a new tab and paste that in there. Okay, it's a really slow site apparently. Okay, so even upside down, this looks like base 32. This isn't base 32, I don't know what it is. But the fact that it's all capitals and there are a few numbers means it's likely base 32. So I need to, upside down, I need to find where HackVerter is. There it is. And yes, you see it automatically detected, auto decode detected it was base 32. Okay, I have to keep this password somewhere safely because I can't remember it. Okay, so we have a password. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do, well, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to actually copy the URL first as well. I'm going to keep some notes. Okay, and then we're going to put the password in. Well, you know what? Just copy the entire thing. Oh, it's timed out. Excellent. Okay, so I can finally switch back. All right, let me go to the left. Landscape again. Yes, please keep the changes, and we can take that off.
Thank you for following.
Did Cyber Guy, if you're still in chat, let me know what platform you want. Looks like you are still in chat. Let me at him. Which platform you want voucher for? There we go. Okay, so the password is Open Sesame. All right, so I guess we need to find a user, really. So the other thing we found was this WordPress. Obviously, this server status is a 403, so we're not going to even bother with that. There's a WordPress blog, though. Which obviously means if it is actually a WordPress blog, we can run WP scan on it. Although it's stupidly slow. So there is an admin user. So I guess what we could try, to be honest, is go to the login and try admin Open Sesame. Because that is the one default user. Maybe this will work. Probably won't. It will not. Try hack me. Okay. The cyber guy lost 2 months. Try hack me voucher. All right, good. Okay, so we're going to run WP scan. We go into manual commands. There should be WP scan. I can just copy this. I can just basically paste it there. I should probably honestly get rid of the indents, but I don't know. Okay, so let's just run that. Oh, I probably need to actually put /WordPress. That would help. Any recommendations for pen testing WordPress? Yeah, WP scan, pretty much. Like if WP scan doesn't have it, it's going to be a pain to even find anything. The issues with WordPress are either going to come down to some really outdated version of WordPress or some vulnerable plugin. You're more likely to have vulnerable plugins. You could also enumerate users and try username username enumeration followed by a password attack. That's, I mean, I guess it depends on the target. It might work, it might not. All right. We have a Max author though. Look at that. Yeah. So basically, WP Scan will enumerate plugins. It doesn't look like there are any plugins available. At least some no vulnerable ones. Okay, so we do have a Max user. So if we do, I'm just going to copy this. And okay, so it's going to be at WordPress. All right. How'd you get rid of the... Oh, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to get rid of the links, but apparently I can't. Because that's kind of annoying. Just have to retype them, I guess. Or can I do Control X, Control Shift V? No? Oh well. Never mind. Anyway, Max. So let's try Max with Open Sesame now. More likely to work. There we go. That worked. Okay. It doesn't look like we're in admin. Which means can't really do anything like that. Are there any posts not published? Are we supposed to be able to maybe upload? Like, can we upload a PHP file? We'll try that first. Test.php. Go Tiberius. And then we'll do Stream Raiders. Okay, home. Proving Grounds. SoSimple. Okay, I accidentally put it in scans, didn't I? No, what did I put in? Oh, I did. It just didn't let me. All files. File type is not permitted for security reasons. WordPress 5.5. So, I mean, we could look for a... I guess the one thing we didn't try, technically, is we didn't try SSH as Max. So before we go further, we should probably try that. SSH Max at... Yes, using Open Sesame. Because that would kind of be stupid if we didn't try it, at least. It's not. Okay. So who mentioned that? Bonzo. That was mentioned by Al Hazred recently. Also, I believe John Hammond did a video on it. If you go to Hacktricks, htaccess, there's this thing. So it's like a file upload trick. So htaccess is an Apache thing. So it only works on Apache servers, and also only works when htaccess is enabled, because I believe htaccess is disabled by default. If you can upload the HTXs, you can configure several things and even execute code. So basically, you can tell Apache to execute certain extensions as PHP code. So you could, for instance, say, "Hey, if you find a JPEG, try executing that as PHP." So yeah. I believe it doesn't need to be uploaded to root. You can have .htaccess files in different directories. So I don't know if it necessarily has to be for root. It's probably configurable. All I know is I think htaccess, I believe htaccess is disabled by default. Yeah. You have to enable. So, and to be honest, the only reason you would use a .htaccess is the reason it was used in the past is if you host a web server where you have multiple people, like if you're one of these, like in the early days of the web, before everybody had their own little private VPS, you could have one server which hosted 100 different websites on it, right? And all that would happen was you give FTP access to specific directories, and then you would configure Apache to point different domains at those different directories. That's how it would all work. And so .htaccess was a way for site owners to do little server modifications for their content precisely. However, everything you can put in a .htaccess file can also go in the config files for Apache, right? It basically just overrides some Apache settings. So these days, there's really no reason to use a .htaccess file because you can literally, if most of the time, you control the server now. Even if you're a small website, you're probably going to get a VPS for $5 a month from DigitalOcean or some other hosting company, and you can just put everything in your own Apache conf. Doesn't WordPress use htaccess by default? I don't believe so. I think maybe it does, but like I said, I mean, this looks like you have to edit the Apache config. I think. So maybe I'm wrong, but I was pretty sure you had to enable it. Because it is a security vulnerability, really. It's just left over from the old days of the web. Okay. So this is WordPress 5.4.2. So what we'll do now is we're just going to look up search exploit or something. Oops. We'll go directly to exploit.db. WordPress 5.4.2. So these are all plugins. So potentially we probably need to do more of a directory bust, I would guess. Because the only things we found we didn't check out this yet. But yeah, public key and password. Yeah, because this didn't find anything else, right? And the only two authors are admin and Max. Malicious profile picture. Oh, hang on. WordPress events. There was something about WordPress events. Is it this one? I mean, let's just try. Yeah, I'm just going to try this. I mean, so if we duplicate. Okay, that didn't work. Worth a shot, though. Malicious profile picture. I believe the problem with that is it's using Gravatar here. Hmm. I mean, there's no reason not to do a more advanced Ferox Buster scan. So we'll just run that while I go get Raven because Zonifer has requested Raven. All right. So yeah, this should be fine. So doing Ferox Buster, PHP, new page or post. I mean, the problem with that is I don't believe you can put PHP code in posts. You can put HTML, but that doesn't really help us at all. Trying to break WordPress. We're trying to hack a WordPress blog on a challenge site. Nothing there. Oh, I just said I was going to get Raven, didn't I? All right. So we'll leave this. I'll go get Raven. And hopefully this will find something before
Thank you for
I come back.
following.
Thank you for following. I could not find Raven. So we'll have to hold off on that. I'll try and find it later. Okay, this is errors, lovely. Maybe some version vulnerability. Okay, we could try updating WP scan, yeah. Yeah, no, we can't edit the theme. The update? Yeah. What is the latest version of WordPress? Sorry, WP scan. Lovely. 3.8.22. Yeah, so we are on the. Yeah, I mean, but the thing is, I did look on ExploitDB. I didn't see anything. And yeah, so we don't have any tools, right? Our user is just a regular user, like probably an author user. We can add posts. We can't even add pages. But yeah, what we did do is we tried. So this is WordPress 5.4 something. I think it said on the dashboard. If I just go back to here. It's just being very slow now, probably because of the scanning. Yeah, I'm going to cancel that because it seems to be just slowing everything. Yeah. Anyway, I think it was 5.4 point something. I want to say 0.2. But honestly, yeah, these aren't even like WordPress, the actual blog. These are plugins. Can we share our Googling findings? Yeah, as long as it's like not don't make it like taken from a walkthrough. If you found an idea, sure. Yeah, 5.4.2. So we could try brute forcing the admin password using WP scan, to be honest with you. We could try rerunning WP scan as well, which might be better. So let's do that. Because we have now updated the database. Maybe there's something that it missed. After which we can try 542. Okay, interesting. I should probably just Googled. Oh, here we go. So this is 5.42. So anything that's not. Okay, 5.3. Interesting. Probably cross-site scripting is what do we get? See, these are all plugins. This one only says 551. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I don't really. I don't really understand what this does. I guess we should probably try it. Oh, hang on. We didn't see this. Upload directory. Okay, here we go. Simple file list. There we go. This looks like something a little more interesting, doesn't it? Okay, simple file list exploit, maybe. There we go. This might be it. Potentially, but we'll have another look around. I want to go back. Let's just check out these directories first. See if there's anything useful in here. Okay, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Okay, so it's probably. I mean, unless there's something stupid in this file, like this could obviously be. What am I talking about? This. Jeez. Thank you for the Prime sub. Let me add you to the list.
Thank you for following.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, there could be like this could be Stego. I really hope it isn't. More likely, it's this. So the fact that we have, I mean, let's just.
Thank you for following.
This is like unauthenticated, which is weird. I mean, this looks like it's gonna work. So we're just gonna download this. Why is that not working? Okay. Okay, Python simple. Okay, so we just need the URL. Harmless file name, shell file name. So let me just double check what this does. Oh, I see. Okay, so all right. Well, we already have. Let's just do tib.png. And then we'll just do the test.php, right? Unable to confirm version. We could just probably edit that out. So we just, there's a check vol. We should probably just not do check vol. Yeah, we'll just do this. Okay. Let's see if that works. All right, and it probably didn't. Yeah, because it didn't even. Okay. There was the other one, though, wasn't there? There's this one. But I don't know if this is similar. This is definitely different. Okay, so we're gonna just use, probably have a search exploit version. Okay, Python 4. So we just do a URL. Interesting. What's actually uploading? Okay, I'll just do this then. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but failed to upload. Okay, so at this point, do we just figure it's stego? It does seem weird that you have this simple file list thing, though. Hmm. Yeah. I'm just not sure how it's vulnerable. Oh, good point. Although we could probably check actually, because it might just be. No, the path is there. Look, actually, so if we can hit this file, we should be able to get it. So if I do. Yeah, so this file is not on the server apparently. Yeah, there's no simple file list on the server itself. There's a Metasploit module. Okay. Let's try searching for it then. Simple file list. It's weird that we have authentication. That's the only thing that's odd. Okay, so we need to set target URI to WordPress. I need to /WordPress/. Actually, probably just that. Set our hosts to this. And take out. Oops. Take out that. Take out that. Okay. What's my IP address? Ton 0. There's my IP. Okay, so we set lhost. Interpreter reverse TCP. I mean, that should be fine. Yeah, see, full response code 404. Unless we do need to set that. No. I mean, there's probably something here, but I don't know. I just don't know what it is. There is this URL. Oh, do we maybe have to combine exploits? I mean, let's just see. Okay. Not allowed to access this page. So maybe... Where is this one? Maybe we do this. Yeah. So... What do I need to do again? So basically a $sign, not $sign, sorry. All of this. Okay, we'll do stream raiders in a minute. So yeah. Something like that, maybe. No. It was a nice thought. Like, does this work then? So yeah, the issue we're having here, look, is these... Let me zoom in. All these exploits... This directory exists, right? But this one doesn't. Like, if I try and load this page... oops. Let's just do it here. We get a pretty solid 404. Right? This is not found. Thanks, Redacted. Happy New Year. So this exists, but this doesn't, which is just weird. So there's some weird catch with this. Anything else in directory? No, I didn't. I mean, one thing we could do, I guess, is we could try and find stuff in this directory. It does feel like a rabbit hole. At the same time, it's the thing is called SoSimple, as somebody pointed out. Hmm. Oh, hang on. Here we go. You only need to place this simple bit of shortcode on any page, post, or widget to make the file list appear on your website. There. So can we just do this then? Well, add new post. This feels like it might be something. This site is just so slow. We'll just do test, I guess, and we'll just do that then. Save draft. Preview, maybe? No. I guess publish. Maybe you have to publish it. Okay, did that actually do anything? What I'll do is we will edit this page now. I'm just going to do something like test, and then after that, I'm going to do test, just so we know in the code where it is. Okay, probably wasn't the best idea, because apparently now it's just not doing anything. Okay, well, I guess I'll just, yeah, we'll just do Tiberius maybe. Tiberius. Publish, copy link. Why is it not? You can't put a reverse shell in, no. This isn't PHP code. This is very basic, not even HTML. That's interesting. Why is it not actually? It's been a long time since I've done. Exit the code editor. Oh, hang on. Oh, okay, right. So maybe this is why. Maybe I wasn't doing it right. Why is my scroll suddenly so slow? This might not even be the right thing to do, you know? So I don't want bold. Update. Okay. I don't even understand why the Tiberius stuff isn't appearing. Let's just do a new post, I guess. So I'm going to do test 2. I did try clearing the cache. I always do that. I'm just going to put Tiberius in here. Save the draft. All posts, come on. The site is just so slow as well. Just goes back to this. Okay, test 2 is there. So at least that's... Alright. How do I publish? It's not even... I have no idea, chat, what is going on with this box. I don't know why when I... Like, my content isn't even being posted. I don't know why. Granted, it's been quite a long time since I have used WordPress, but I didn't think it was this stupid. Oh, shortcode. Okay. That's what it means. Okay, so is it this? Like that? Maybe? Oh, man. I'm just going to open it in a incognito window just to double check it's not something weird. But I have been clearing my cache this entire time. No, it's just, I don't know what's... I can't even get a post to actually post. Like, look. Like, I don't understand. Why is this not visible? Show block settings. Anyone know what the hell's going on? Like, why I can't do this? I'll check out that link, but to be honest with you, I can't seem to even create new posts. Yeah, so I mean, this is great. Like, thank you for posting this. However, I don't even know what's going on here. I'm going to try... This is probably really stupid, but I mean, we're going to try brute forcing the admin password. I don't know why... should probably do a top, like, 1,000 or something. Here we go. Okay. E-U. Because I mean, yeah. Could somebody like look up and make sure this is supposed to be the right way? Like, because I feel like we're doing this right. But for some reason the box is just balked. I don't know why it would be balked, but there we go. Any messages, errors when you open developer tools? Good point. I mean, DOM invaders enabled, but I don't think that should do anything. Maybe it did actually. Shit. Hang on. No, I don't think it did. Update. Okay. View post. This is SoSimple on Proving Grounds. No, I mean, it's still not there. I really don't understand what's going on. Like, this is clearly a paragraph, right? Keep developer tools open and refresh button. On what? On this page? On which page do you want me to do that? Okay. There are other plugins. You're in a rabbit hole. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Yeah, so, I mean, apparently I'm in a rabbit hole. Oh, hang on. Did that miss it the first time around, or did I just not run it updated? Hang on. Yeah, it missed it the first time. Alright, so we have a stupid thing. Alright. So this is a lesson on keeping our tools up to date. So we need social warfare. There we go. Oops. Oh my god. Remote code execution, lovely. Hey, we got there in the end, chat. Alright. So that was on me for not updating WordPress. Hey, but at least we did a bunch of recon, so that's cool. At least we got there in the end. Alright. Okay, so it is a it's a Python 2 script, lovely. Okay. So it includes. Actually, let's just read this. Actually, then. Oh, so it basically includes a URL. So we could probably just do this ourselves. Admin post. So if we do URL.
Thank you for following.
Dub. Have I got index.html? Yeah, index.html. Okay, so try this. HTTP index.html. I should probably do tail. Apache log. There we go. No changes made, but does it include? All right, let's have a look at the. So I mean, it definitely reaches out to us. So the question is, can we just use something like, sorry, var php no exec php info? Yeah, okay, that should work. So if I go php no exec php info .php. So did it even execute it? Okay. So I guess do we just It might just be so it might just be executing it blindly. That'd be kind of weird, though. I think I've used this exploit before. So I try to remember how I did this before. I guess PHP does have a sleep, right? Yeah, okay. So if we do a sleep 10, maybe. So if I just do like sleep.txt. Try something like that. And then do sleep.txt. Interesting. You put so you don't even need PHP tags, I think is what it's saying. There we go. That was what was messing up. Nope, it still didn't view source. Okay. All right, well, let's try hello.txt. Free system cat Etsy password, somebody's saying. And then free. Do you need it all on one line? All right, we'll try that. Well, that works. I'm just confused about why it works. Like, do you need the pre? Don't need the pre. So I guess my sleep just... Do you just not need a semicolon or something? I mean, we got command execution, I guess, but yeah, for some reason sleep isn't working then. All right. Okay, so we can just now do a reverse shell. All right, that took longer than we thought it would. And yeah, there was
Thank you for following.
Nasty named box, to be honest. Oh, I don't want to URL encode it. All right, let's just ban this guy. Okay, so we're going to do this, and then we're going to copy it. Sorry. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're getting this slowly. Okay, I'm already bimming that. Slowly but surely, but hey, at least we're learning stuff. And yeah, there was a lot of rabbit holes in that box, especially the name of the box. Okay, payload.txt, so if we reload this, we should get a shell, but we don't. What happened there? Possibly that we don't have NC or something. So in fact, can we do something like this? I guess not. But we can do that, right? Oh, wait a minute. Me viewing the source is probably not the best idea, is it? Payload.txt. No, it is. Let's put the pre's back in. I don't think this is going to be the reason why. It is? What? So was that actually being displayed? I really don't understand what's going on with this exploit. So if I do that, it doesn't work. Okay. At least we figured that out. So why'd you need the pre? That's so weird. That's just HTML tags. So can I do this now? So payload and 0 equals ID. You can. Formatting from WordPress. Oh, I see. Yeah, because the pre's don't even go there. Makes sense. All right, so we can honestly just, now we have this shell, we can just shove this in here. And do an NC. And replace ID with this, and that looks good. Yay! Finally.
We are in.
Okay, do we have Python 3? Do we have Python? Oh, we do have Python 3, okay. Python 3 -c import pty pty.spawn bin bash. Yay, okay, control Z this. stdy size, stdy raw -echo. And then we do stdy cols 172, stdy rows 39, and then we do export term equals xterm 256 color, which means we can just do control C's and everything. Okay. All right, so we're probably going to look at the, well, we're definitely going to look at secret key.txt. And this is base 64, not base 32. Come on, HackVerter. All right, so my burp suite is, yeah, being weird now. Decode base 64. Haha, it's not easy. All right, fine. Okay, so we're going to do wp config. I guess we can't do tab completion. All right. I should probably have. Oh, what's the fail for? We got there. All right, we're going to put this in here. Look. Dumb. Yeah. All right. Okay, so we have WP user and password. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna extract all this information. Oops. So we're gonna try cracking the admin password now. Because I assume, let's do Etsy password. So we have a Steven and a Max here. We should try Max's password though. Maybe Max didn't have access. By SSH. Probably did though. Okay. So we're gonna try WP user and password. And WordPress was the... okay. Show tables. Yeah, okay. Describe WP users. Alright, so I just want to select user login and user pass from WP users. Okay. So now we have a admin hash. Which can do name that hash file admin hash. So it's PHP ass. You might think it'd be PHP pass, but no. Clearly, it says PHP ass. So we're going to do John with the format PHP ass. Admin not hash. Hydra doesn't do password cracking. Hydra is a brute force tool. I should say a live brute force tool. So this might not be crackable, to be honest with you. I would use Hashcat. However, Hashcat doesn't really work very well on VMs. So we can just do some more looking around. We'll go into the home directories and see if we have any. Like maybe Max has let's do ls-la. Oops, Max. Okay, well, yeah, there we go. So that's how we get to Max. I assume we can't just get to, what's the other guys? Stephen. In the same way, right? Stephen. No. Alright, so if we just get Max's... Come on. ID RSA. There we go, we got Max's private key. Copy all that. So we don't need to do this anymore. Max RSA. Mod 600 Max RSA. And then if we do SSH again with Max RSA. Hooray!
We are in.
So we should probably do sudo just in case, even though we don't know Max's password yet. Okay. Boy. So we can run the service binary as Stephen without a password. So we're just going to GTFO bins. Service sudo. So you can do service bin sh apparently. So you need to do sudo-u Stephen service bin bash, I guess. You have to do ../. Oh yeah, there we go. That worked. You have to do ../. Okay. So now we're Stephen. See. Very slowly though. Okay, it's very slow, but so now we just go into home. I didn't even check Max's home directory stuff. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff here, like personal. I guess we could. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Cat the user. Okay, cat local. So this is the local hash we needed. So we'll submit that. Okay. All right, we'll try sudo here as well. Oh, for fuck's sake. Notice file directory. Can we actually add this? So hang on. Oh Jeez. It's a really slow box, though, unfortunately. Jeez, come on. /opt. So can we... I mean, we can, okay. So we can just... Oh my god, this is really stupid. This box was actually kind of interesting until the Privesk bit. I mean, why don't I just do bash? Right? Oh, I should probably chmod it. And now I can just do sudo opt tools server health. Oh, look.
I'm in.
That was... So, an interesting interesting way to get onto the box. I have seen that exploit before. I guess WordPress WP Scan was out of date, which is a good lesson to keep your tools updated. However, after that, if you're going to do 2 Privesks on a box, you should at least do different ones. I mean, this one was just 2 sudo stuff. The reason I do -p, it's out of... I mean, I don't think you actually do need to do -p in this case. But -p will preserve privileges. Yeah, you don't need to do -p. But for example, let's chmod +s bin bash, right? Oops. Since we're now root, I can do this. So sudo works differently, but I always do it out of habit. So now, if we do ls-l bin bash, you'll see that bin bash is owned by root and it's suid, right? Which generally means if you do run bin bash, you should get root. However, you don't, because bash understands that basically whenever you run an suid file, you have a few IDs in Linux. You have a UID, which is always this one. Then you have an EUID, an effective user ID. Now, an SUID, when you run an SUID file, your effective user ID is set to the owner of the file, right? Your regular user ID is not. This is sometimes called a real ID. Okay. Now, bash. So most tools, in fact, will look at the effective user ID to determine who you are, right? Bash doesn't. Bash always looks at your UID, unless you do bin bash -p, at which point it will look at your EUID. You see here? So when I ran bin bash the first time, it ignored our effective user ID. In fact, it just decided not to even grant us it, right? So here, though, we ran bin bash with -p. Our UID is the same. We're still Stephen, because we are Stephen, technically. However, our effective UID is root. Right? And luckily, our effective UID is what Linux mostly uses for permissions, right? So if we wanted to access files, like now we can cat etc shadow, right? Even though our UID is Stephen still, right? Our EUID is root, which means we're technically root. That's why. -p I always use, and that's why whenever you see me making a copy of bin bash, so it's almost a meme at this point, but my favorite privilege escalation technique, for various reasons, is making a copy of bin bash in usually temp. So I do bin bash, copy bin bash to temp/root bash, right? And then I chmod +xs, x to make it executable, but it generally is anyway, but s to make it suid, right? So that's usually what I do. And then I run temp root bash -p. All right. The reason I like that is it doesn't rely on... basically, if you have a cron job, right, that runs every minute, you have to wait a minute, right? If you have like a reverse shell being generated from that cron job as root, you have to wait a minute if you lose your shell. However, with this one, copying bin bash into temp root bash and then chmodding it, those operations can be repeated infinitely and they do the exact same thing, right? You can copy bin bash into temp root bash, chmod it, and then copy bin bash into temp root bash, chmod it. Nothing's changing, right? You're doing the exact same two operations. It doesn't really matter. So it's almost like a permanent privesc, right? So even if you do lose your shell, you can always know that that temp root bash is going to be there and it's going to be SUID. Yeah. Does the -p only work with SUID? Yeah, so I think it does. Because I think sudo bash is fine. You can do sudo bash. I just do it, like I said, out of habit. Like, I probably don't need to for sudo, but whatever. Okay, nice. All right, we'll stop that one. That was pretty good. Okay, what we'll do is we're gonna edit my DNS config. Honestly, probably just delete all of these. Don't need them anymore. Address equals /heist.hackthebox/ and then when we get the IP address, copy that. Obviously, let it spawn and wait maybe 5 minutes. This is a Windows box.
Thank you for following.
Okay. All right, so we're going to do service DNS mask restart. All that did was it means that we can do heist.hackthebox. We can also do something like www heist.hackthebox, and we'll get the same IP address. Okay, let's try scanning this thing. Auto recon heist.hackthebox. And there we go. So we have port 80, so we're always going to try port 80. And interestingly, even though this is apparently a Windows machine, this does have a PHP server running on it. Oh, sorry, not a PHP server, a PHP, maybe an Apache server, is it? No, it's IIS, but it's still using PHP, perhaps. Which is interesting. And I can't actually view the source unless I do this. Login as guest, that's interesting. I'm experiencing problems with my Cisco router. Here's a part of the configuration the previous admin had been using. Okay. Okay. So I'm guessing we have a user on the box called Hazard. We have the Cisco router config, which means we have some usernames and passwords. I don't know anything else about really Cisco configs, other than these are easily crackable, usually. Okay, let's have another look at the. Okay, what do we find on this? Do we find anything? No, okay. So there's an attachments directory which maybe we can just Let me just see the... Okay, we can't see the contents of. How to enroll. When we do marbles, you type exclamation point play. But only when we're doing marbles. Okay. Can we do enum for Linux? Does this work? It does, but we got a computer name support desk. So I'm guessing we have to try and crack these. So if I do name that hash -- text, I need to put this in single quotes because of the $sign. MD5 crypt. Okay, so this was... We're just going to call this secret. If I can actually do that. Crap. Go away, Unity mode. Okay. I'd prefer name that hash. I like it because it doesn't just give you the name of the hash. It also gives you what you need to use in like John the Ripper and stuff. Okay, MD5 crypt to secret. And while that's working, we'll try this router password. So do name that hash text. Cisco Type 7. So yeah, this is definitely a Cisco Type 7 because of this thing, right? So how do you crack Cisco Type 7? Oh, it's a yeah, that's it. It's a reverser, isn't it? All right. Usually, you wouldn't ever paste into a site like this, but given that this is a given this is a HackTheBox machine, that's fine. All right, we're going to create a new thing called Heist here. Okay. I'll put the IP address in there, but oops. I think I can, yeah. Okay, timer's off, so I can actually type with both hands now. That's useful. All right. I'm going to mute this before I do anything else. Okay, oops. Got the IP address. So we have this. Did we crack this yet? We did. Okay, so stealth agent was the password. For this one. So I'm just going to basically just put it there, enable secret, and this goes to that. We're then going to use this right there. And we're going to do the same thing. This is the same kind of Cisco password. So if we just put it into this reverser, it's not even a hash. We get this lovely mess. Okay. Well spotted. Thank you. So I need to paste this. And that's useful because that gives us potential username. So we're gonna look for some more stuff on Heist. Results, scans. So I don't know. We have WinRM. We should probably check out this. We have a username. We have admin, support admin, and hazard. So we can add those to the list. So usernames, we'll do hazard and support admin maybe. And then obviously we have potentially router and just admin. So I guess the first thing we should probably try is logging in. Or not. I guess I have, oops. I have to kill my cookies because I logged in as guest technically, which meant probably set a cookie. Okay, so now if I go back, it should be fun. Yep. I mean, I'm going to try admin with... Let's just try all of these passwords and see if we get anywhere. Oh, okay, an email address. Interesting. Hmm. So it might be just at Heist or HackTheBox. Okay, it's a pretty fun error page there. Okay, we're going to try this. I'm going to try this. Could probably do this automated, but I'm not going to. All right, let's try hazard. With maybe this. I honestly doubt most of this is going to work, but we'll try. No. So the problem is the support admin didn't actually have a... Like, the support admin's name is support admin, but obviously that's not going to go in a email. What did login as guest actually do? It just did guest equals true. Hmm. So okay, is there a... I mean, let's just try the images directory and see. We could try SQL injection. So you could try something like admin. Or, well, actually, should we do and 1 equals 1? 1 equals 1, dash, dash, dash. And the same thing. Oh, this needs to be an email address. We need to do at Heist. Oh, no, sorry, what am I talking about? At Heist.HackTheBox, the dot should probably do it. This might not work. That's okay though, because we can just do this. Go back to where I was posting. Okay. So we're going to do this, and we're going to do, oops, and 1 equals 1, dash, dash, dash. Try that. We need an or 1 equals 1 here. So that didn't work. I mean, should probably URL encode that, but don't we technically need to. We can do an or here actually. Okay, the only other thing we can think of is maybe changing that to a quote. No. We could probably also do something like this. Or 1 equals 1 like that. Nope. Try changing them all to single quotes. Otherwise, might try something else. We do have access to a few other services. We could always try doing some enumeration. No. So what was the thing we did last time? It was it was one of the in packets, right? Yeah, it was this thing. Okay, so if I do vim, we're just going to put all those in. I don't know if this is going to work or not. So in packet, get, yeah. All right, so we know the domain, I think. It's support desk, I think. We'll try support desk. That's this heist, I think works. Users file is going to be users, and we'll try that. Yeah, but I use secret stump afterward. This is get NPU users, sorry, MP users, which is users. I forget what it does. It does something. Right, non-pre-auth AS rep responses. So presumably, sorry, this works as Kerberos, doesn't it? Oh, we don't have Kerberos enabled. So we might have to use crackmap exec or something. Can we? So we have WinRM. We know we have WinRM. Yeah, and this isn't going to be a domain machine, isn't it, actually? So I think it's going to be local auth. Because there's no domain.
Thank you for following.
So we'll try users. I guess we could put these passwords in here as well. What am I doing? Use. Oh, I forgot. Actually, we have these users as well. Oh no, we do. We had them. All right, so I'm gonna use that and that. Okay. Dash P passwords. And then target is just going to be heist.hackbox, I think. Nothing. Hmm. Will the scan show any other services? It showed us. Basically, we have a port 80. We have 135 with RPC. We do have the name of the box. Oops. Other than that, I don't. I mean, we could look down this and have a look around. We also have. So we got 445, which honestly didn't show much. It showed that. Yeah, we have SMB. We didn't try SMB null session actually. Probably should try that. Exit 9. Well, I guess we could try using SMP for that. So instead we could do this. Yeah, because we don't have a domain, do we? We just have the name of the box, which is the support. What is it? Support desk. Because this is the computer name. Okay. We got WinRM. And that's it. Any ideas, chat? It is interesting that there's a PHP server. I still think maybe that's something. But at the same time, there's nothing. I mean, I presume we have to use these passwords for something. I just don't know what for. I guess we could try just support. I don't know if the users have to be case sensitive, so what we could do is just try doing this. And support. Admin's probably not going to do anything. I don't even know if this is like. Can we do just verbose or something? Is there a verbose? There is. Okay, so we just need to do probably here. Did I try using the IP? I didn't actually. Still didn't do anything. I could try disabling local auth. Don't know why it's not doing. I'd really rather it gave me verbose output. Unrecognized argument verbose, except it's there. Oh, no, it does require it to be before here, I guess. Okay. I mean, that didn't do anything. Let's just Google crack map exec because we. I don't really use much. Okay. Oh, enumeration. Alright. Yeah, enumeration requires correct credentials, doesn't it? Oh, right. Sometimes it needs. Doesn't it need this first? Sometimes. Yep, it did. I hate that about crack map exec. I really hate that. Is the worst feature. The fact that you have to. Like, it only works if you do it this way around. It should at least tell you. You know? It should do a warning. But at least, hey, we have support desk hazard stealth one agent look. Which means we probably really win RM, right? Yeah. No, probably not. Can we do evil win RM? We'll try evil win RM either way. Heist, user is hazard. Probably support desk actually. /hazard. And the password. We'll try either. Apparently not. Great, come on. Wow. Okay. Let's just try hazard then, I guess. If not, we can just log in using SM. Well, I mean, we can't really log in using SMB. What we can do is SMB client. I forget the syntax, but so we do need -L. Where's username? I'm like blind right now. -U. Okay, so hazard. Yeah. It's going to ask me for the password, so I just need heist or HackTheBox. No. I think -u needs to come first. Password. Yeah. Okay. So stealth 1 agent is this. Alright, so I mean, we can do like WinExe, I think, right? Or isn't there like, there's an MSF console? Yeah, I know L's for list. Can we do crack map exec with them? Like -x. Who am I? I don't use crack map exec that often, so. Yeah. So I guess we if we use -u hazard. Can we just do dir? Okay, no, we can't. I presume we can't do this either. Alright. I think isn't there like a WinExe thing? Or oh, I'm going back to my days where I used to do this. Oh wait, there's secret. Yeah, can we just use secret stump? I mean, might as well try. No. Not gonna work. Alright, there was a there's like an SMB exec thing. I think it's possible it doesn't even exist anymore. But I was thinking there's PS exec, that's the one. I don't even know if this works. Okay, set SMB user to hazard. Set SMB has to. Yeah, we're gonna find out. Set host 10.10.14.124. I think that was it. Exploit failed. Access denied. Yeah, because it's something to do with the well, we should have been able to do that. I don't know. We might have to set SMB domain to. Was it like support something? Like support desk, maybe? No. There's got to be evil WinRM, right? I'm just not very good at evil WinRM. Hazard. Oh, maybe it had to be the IP address. I don't know. Maybe I just didn't give it enough time. I think that's all you need. I guess we'll just leave it and see what happens. I mean, it didn't seem to do anything last time. Interestingly, though, we didn't have... I guess we could try this. Hazard. So at Heist.HackTheBox didn't work. Oh, hang on. Yeah. That didn't work. I wonder at support. Was it support desk? Yeah, support desk.local or something maybe. We'll try just at support desk. No. Try at support desk.local. No. Interesting. Authorization error. Case sensitive? Maybe. I guess now that we have access with a crack map exec. We can do a dash help here. Because I know there's stuff we can at least enable. Like, we can do the shares thing here, look. So actually what I might do is over here in this shell, we scroll up here. Okay, dash shares. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Just going to put this over here because we should just be able to still see stuff. All right. Right, so we only have read there, which I think is the issue. Sessions, maybe. Disks. When in doubt, just enumerate everything you can. Okay, couldn't do disks. Users would be useful for getting other user accounts. For the web page. Okay, yeah, good idea. Could be hazard. Is this still the password? No. Oh. That's looking promising just because of how long it's taking. I could have also just crashed the box. Nope. Okay, just at support desk, maybe? No. I don't know. I mean, we... The Kres with RPC, we did not... I do have the manual command thing here, don't I? Dash P135. It is 135, yeah. I think that's the command it used, right? Yeah, we'll do the help menu for our PC client. I guess maybe it needs the -I instead. Could do it. No. It just says username. Hmm. Can we just do users hazard? Hmm. Okay. Actrix WinRM. I feel like they wouldn't give us WinRM if we didn't need WinRM, you know? I don't know why Hacktrix is doing this stupid thing now. Where Okay, I mean, we could try this. Over here. Like, WinRM didn't work here, did it? But maybe we need to set the domain to... Right, so we need to set... Okay, right, yeah. So maybe we do... -D support. What was it again? I've completely forgotten the name of the box. Support desk. Yeah. Support desk. Doesn't work either. Support desk.local maybe. No. It just doesn't look like we can actually get onto the box using the hazard. Oh boy. Some reason I don't think workgroup works, but we'll try it. No.
Thank you for following.
There is this local author. Maybe that was it. I don't know what I've tried and what I haven't. Yeah. Yeah. uh, I mean, I don't think Evil Winner is going to work. So, I don't know what else to try. I guess, yeah, I mean, we'll do Hack Tricks RPC. Maybe I haven't really done much with RPC before, so maybe we can do some enumeration here. RPC client, okay. You know what, we'll do it over here. Okay. So it's hazard, percentage, and then I'll just type in stealth, one agent, and then the IP address, which I will copy. Okay. Yes, that's the other thing. Like, what do we even do from here? I guess we've got all this interesting information we could, like, what's a nice... net share enum, maybe. We seem to have logged in. Okay, that's interesting, though. I'm just going to do RPC client enumeration. All right, yeah, okay, we'll just do this. We'll just go down some lists, you know? Disconnected. Are we just disconnected now? Maybe not. Were we ever connected is the other thing. I mean, there's no domains. I don't know even if domain users is going to work. What's something that's just easily going to list something? Like, I just want something about maybe the server info, maybe. Oh, shit. Yeah, so it does look like it's working at least. Query, I mean, I don't want these groups, you know. Sam lookup names, maybe. Okay, not that then. Lookup SIDs? I don't know if that's going to even work. Just needs the SIDs. All right, so hang on. List users, this is what we need. Disconnected. Look up names. We have my name at least. Okay. Okay.
Incoming raid.
Sour dump. GoPro slow your rated party of 20. Thank you so much. How was your stream? Do we have this? We
New
do have
subscription
this.
received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Tomb raid, tomb raid, tomb raid, tomb raid.
Thank you for the sub. 16 months. Thank you so much. GoPro slow yo. Rubik's Cube redeem. All right, we'll do that in a sec. I just want to see if we can figure out. We are not doing too good. Target IP. Oh, we don't need target IP. We can just use heist. Alright, I guess let's just try heist.HackTheBox. Does it ask for a password? Username password? No. How do you give it a username? Ah, target. There we go. Help if I actually read the thing, wouldn't it? So we just need hazard colon and then the password is this. I did not copy the password. Why is I just love stealing my password, like my copy. Access denied. That's what the Mr. Streamer thing is for, by the way. Okay. Do we need the IP address? Yes. All right. So I think that's it then. Yeah. All right. So this should work. We just paste that in there. Is it actually doing anything? How do I filter? It is. Okay. So it is at least doing something. I just don't know. Yeah, it's still doing this thing. So yeah, it's converting each user to hex. Don't know why there's such a big. I hope that's not. Oh, it still does work. That should be fine. It's just a bit weird that there wasn't a password being displayed there. So I may rerun it. In fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to rerun this because sometimes shells don't like double quotes. But it's like weird. I guess that didn't matter. That is kind of weird, though. Impact also has a lookup SID. Nice. Okay. I mean, we found nothing, chat. I hate this box. Okay. Stealth. It is stealth 1 agent. Was I spelling it wrong? No, that's 1. No, it's fine. Well, that's what we were trying. 500 to 1. What was the script someone was telling me about? Look up SID maybe. Let's see how this works. Okay, so we need hazard. Just to make sure, I'll copy it right out of here again, like I've been doing. Okay. Okay, add this IP address. Okay. I mean, we just try this. Jeez, what? Okay, chat, this works way better. When in doubt, just Impact It has a tool for everything, and it always works. Okay, so we have some... Oh, boy. Yeah, and these just weren't found. I mean, it did go up to 1,100, I believe. Yep. So it just didn't work. All right, so now we have some more users though to add to our list. Not too many actually. We just have Chase and Jason though. Oops. So, oh my god, what is going on with this thing? I don't like that. So we can just Vim the user. I can set that. Okay, Vim users. And then we're gonna go down here. I'm just gonna put them all in lowercase. I don't know, not lowercase. I mean, I guess I don't even need to do that because the usernames are literally there. I don't know what I was doing. All right, let's try crack map exec again. What the fuck is going on? My goodness. Okay, crack map exec. Get back to the point where we were using username. Okay, so I don't... Yes, I want that. Because presumably... There we go. Okay. I hate how it scrolls automatically. I don't need to do that. Alright, so we got that now. Why is it scrolling? I'm gonna heist. Okay, there we go. Now it's not. Alright, so we have another password. Presumably, oh my god, it's scrolling again. I hate. I'm gonna quit and open it again. Do we have administrator? I don't think so, but I don't think we even need it because if you go straight to administrator, I mean, that's not really a hack the box thing, but we can put admin in there if you want. Like, I don't think at any point in a hack the box machine do you immediately get admin unless it's one of the really stupidly old ones where the exploit gives you system immediately. Oh my god, stop it. Okay, good. We can try it though. Like, I'll just put users. Oops. Yeah. But definitely a good thought. So now maybe you can try WinRM. Hopefully this gives us WinRM now. So evil WinRM. And we want to use Chase. This is the username we have now. And then I'm going to put this password in single quotes because of all the random fucking characters. Finally.
We are in.
Alright, chat, we're in. Go to the desktop. Alright. dir. Alright, I'm going to type user.txt. And we can actually submit this. Okay, so I'm going to say that is a 3. The only reason we didn't get it earlier was I don't do this. I don't really do Windows crap. But now the RPC thing is interesting. I'm going to use that again. Why did something go wrong? But like we got the hazard, we got hazard's password pretty freaking quick. Like if I was Al Hazred, like we would have Chase's user prompt right here in like 10 minutes, I swear. But he does this thing like every day, so. Give me anything web app, and I'll beat anyone. All right, let's do type to do. Keep checking the issues list. I mean, I guess we just literally at this point we should just run WinExe. I guess we could try going into hazards. I mean, we could try run as, I guess. Didn't someone say there was a way in Evil WinRM to just get a command prompt? Like a regular command prompt? Doesn't look like it. But it's nice that it has a menu. So we can at least upload stuff. So I'm going to CD back to J/download. Oh, no, desktop. Okay. Alright, so now we just download, I think we can just do var www Privask. Can I do tab complete here? No. I'm going to use this one. Did it just die? Like, is there antivirus on this? I wonder. Let's just do an SMB server, I guess, and just double check. Not in that. I need to go into this directory. Alright, SMB server. So now if we do copy / 10 10 14 124 Cali to here. Okay, just download doesn't work. Oh, is it upload? That's confusing because to me, download would be because I'm on the I'm on this box. Download means download it from. But But I guess it makes more sense, kind of, to be upload. So let me just try that again, actually. Any ofs.exe. We're learning here. So if I just do, instead of download, I do upload, which doesn't... Yeah. Okay, that's good to know. So even though we have a prompt which is literally on the box, upload isn't uploading anything from the box to your main machine. I don't know. Is it just me, or is that kind of confusing? I guess it depends on which way you look at it, but to me, I would have put it the other way around. Okay. Bass backwards. It is. All right, so we're going to see what we have here. All right. Basically, jeez, I hate when it skips down. We're scrolling down, and we're going to look. We're going to stop at anything. I said we're going to pause at anything that's red. We're definitely going to stop at anything that is yellow and red. This isn't actually a. This is like red. Basically, you can create directories in the C drive. That's actually default, I believe. It's just kind of weird. All right. I'm going to cancel that. I don't need that anymore. Okay, our privileges are rubbish. So we have a support user as well. And again, it just skips all the way down. So that's really annoying. Yeah, it skipped like all the way down. Auto logon credentials were found. With no password, which is useful. Okay, blah blah blah. This is just WinPs being silly. Okay, so we have some services running. Which I guess we can check over if we need to. Hmm. I mean, this is nothing because our user is Chase. Of course, we can add stuff to our own startup. Okay, anything running locally? Doesn't look like it. Everything, I mean, there's a few internal services, but I don't know if there's anything you can exploit there. Alright, there's a Firefox credentials file. So that is potentially useful. Okay, there's an unattended file. However, it doesn't have a password in it. Okay, and then we have all this PHP crap, which honestly is... We should probably check the config file, actually. Now that I think of it.
Thank you for following.
Thank you, vmasterj. So I might just skip all this PHP crap, and we might just look at the PHP directory. Which we're going to have to find, actually. Like, ignore all this crap. This is just PHP config files, which I don't really need. Okay, what's... Okay, so... If I just cd to C drive, have a look. Is it going to be inetpub? Double root. Can't look at that. Okay, great. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be anything. It probably isn't, but we'll check it anyway. I need to cd into that. Nope, just custom pay. Oh. I don't know. There's an AS.asp page, which the rest of them are HTML. There's probably not going to be anything in here. But worth checking anyway. I don't think there is anything in here. I think this is just a, yeah, it's just an SP page. Okay. Is there anything in history? Okay, anything in temp? Okay. Why can't I see it into users? Is there... Okay, so that does work. Okay, there is a run as, isn't there? Yes, this is the thing we had last time. And I couldn't do that. We could do the thing we did. I don't know if we're going to be able to do secret stump. We can try secret stump with this chase user. That's what we did last time. Oh, I didn't try this either, but we'll do that. So is this password? No. Okay. Okay, so we'll use the... We'll use the download feature to grab that. Okay, and then this where's locate Firefox? All right, there's a Firefox decrypt. Okay. Path to profile is. Oh, I'm gonna have to. Can I just do the pass to the thing? It's empty. God damn it. Is it actually empty? Yeah, yeah. No, that just didn't work. Right. So I think I can just use the SMB server again then. If I want to copy. I think I can do that. Yes. Remove the C one. Key 4. What? .gp. Wait, what? Hang on, what's going on? Oh, file. I'm losing it. Alright. Alright, so I just need to have a look and see what's in this directory. Do we need to get the profiles as well? Probably. I just copy the entire like thing. I feel like I should just copy everything. Like, oops. I don't know if this is either a very bad idea or a very good idea, but you know what? No, we're not going to do that. We will do is we'll do. God, keep forgetting which bit I've copied. We'll do that. All right, so I'll copy the profiles. So what I'm basically doing is we're going to just recreate a very basic oh. I'm just going to do profiles. Run my SMB server, run that again. Shove profiles in there. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't want to. Oh. Okay. I don't know what the frick is going on here, but dir profiles.ini. I don't understand why that is just not copying. 10, 10, 14, 1, 2, 4. Kali profiles. Okay, I just don't. Oh, because I'm in profiles. Crap. All right. Okay. Right. I'm just being an idiot. Okay, so we need a directory called profiles. And then if we do, okay, so we need this. Okay, and then I believe in that one, yeah, there's key 4. Okay, so if we move this to here, all right, I think now if we do the Firefox decrypt. All right, battle's ready. So if this doesn't work, we'll just do profiles. No, okay. Okay. What I could do is I could create a new profile in Firefox and just do it that way. Okay. All right, so we'll do this. How do I create new profiles? Create new profile. Next. New profile name, test. Finish. Okay, so it's going to be in here. So let's have a look. Okay. So if I just copy the I have no idea if this is going to work. If I copy profiles key 4 into this key 4, and then I run this. Okay, and we want number 3. It has a master password. I thought the master passwords weren't encrypted, or maybe they are. Well, let's try this then. The fact that it is a master password... No, okay. It is number 3, right? Yes. Maybe it's one of the other ones? Maybe it's stealth. No. Yeah, well, I don't know how long we're going to be, Atticus, you know? It's almost midnight. No. Okay, hang on. Firefox master password crack? Key3.db. But there's no key 3. But it does say there's a Mozilla to John. Interesting. You know what, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move it back to here, and I'm gonna remove the profiles directory. I don't need that anymore. Okay, so there should be Mozilla to John. Key 4 maybe. No. I have no idea what we're doing here. This looked like it was going to be interesting, and now I just don't know. I feel like it's maybe a red herring. I guess we could just look in. Maybe I should have loaded it first. There is a password. Okay, crack. Let's just Google it. This is Chrome. Oh, here we go. Coded plus encrypted password check data. Ah, okay. There's logins as well. I don't see logins. I don't know, chat. Someone want to look up a README and see if this is the actual way, because I honestly don't know if we're just stuck in a rabbit hole. For metadata, was there a metadata database? There is. Oh, but there's nothing in NSS private. Oh, what? But that's okay, because... Running processes? All right. Yeah, this box definitely had. I wouldn't call this box easy because it just has so many.
Thank you for following.
Thanks for following. XSS Busty Cops XSX. Where's the running stuff? Where is the list of services that are running? I think we can actually just run CD Chase. Happy New Year. Almost, I think.
New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Thank you, Medicus. Peace. Almost hasn't. See. So just do -H, yeah. So process info, we can just do this. Quiet process info. Got less than a minute. Apparently, I couldn't find any process info. There we go. Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to 2023. PowerShell list processes. That's probably why, for some reason, I guess it didn't work. Get process, that's easy. Doesn't really tell me anything. List processes full path, maybe? I guess this will work. So Firefox is running. Right, which probably means we have to do this then, right? That's probably... We didn't even try Chase, I don't think. Because actually, yeah, now that I think about it, on his desktop, there was this. Keep checking the issues list. Do EMV? No, I can't. Dump the process? Okay. I mean, I don't really know how to do that, but dump. Alright, can we just do this in PowerShell? Is this really like an easy box dumping freaking memory? Does anyone know an easy way to dump memory? I guess we have to use prop dump. How is this an easy box? Honestly, I mean, I know it's kind of a meme right now, but like, this is supposed to be easy. The thing is, I've read the because HackTheBox started paying people to create boxes. I've read the requirements for boxes, and an easy box is not supposed to have this. Like literally, they tell you not to do it. So I don't know why they keep honestly just doing this. Was it prop dump? Well, where did it go? Did it extract? Where? Oh, it extracted there. Okay. Okay, so now I can upload. Home Tiberius downloads. And then the prop dump. Where the fuck was it? Yeah, you get paid more for medium hard insane. So I mean, I don't understand. I mean, maybe that's it. Maybe HackTheBox is trying to be freaking cheapskate. Okay, we can do accept EULA. Do I have to run this via CMD? Oh, come on. Wait, wrong file extension? What? Really? Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. I just want a regular dump, please. How do I tell it what to dump? Reading through stupid dump things. All right, what? So usage -W processing. Okay. All right, I guess just -W then. Let's try it. So we do need to now. All right, Firefox. This is the ID. Okay, -M. People are saying different things. I'm just gonna. Oh my god! Did it not copy? The wait option, that's what it said, wasn't it? Dash W? Alright, someone said dash MA. Okay. I'm going to do the SMB server thing again, because copy Firefox. I hate it doesn't have tab complete, it's really annoying. 124 Cali and in there. All right. Looks good. Did we just run strings on it? I don't know. I don't know. Grab password maybe. uh. I don't even know what we're looking for, really. I guess we could try the login.php maybe. There we go. Hooray, everybody. So does that mean that this is actually the admin password, though? Wait, was that the password from before? It's not the same, right? Jesus, come on. No, it's different. So is this just going to be literally... I mean, I'm going to open up a new terminal, even though I have like 10 open. Can we just use Evil WinRM again? And now we can just use administrator, maybe? Like, I assume... Okay, good. If it was going to be that, if it was going to be like writing some XSS to trigger something. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, but dumping a process from memory is not something that should be done on an easy box, in my humble opinion. But yeah, after that, literally, it was. I mean, it was easy, right? It was. I just figured it was either going to be the Chase username, which it wasn't. But then I figured, okay, login.php. I mean, I don't know why it has this all cached. Was it sending that? No, it was doing a post request. So I don't really understand why it's got this. Unless that is literally how you can log in. Maybe that is. Should we try it? So if we go back to here, so I need to take out localhost. Yeah, that was it. So you could log in via a GET request, presumably because the guy who wrote this box doesn't know how to code something like Selenium to do post requests or something. I don't know. What was I doing? Yes. I need to copy this. Oops, go back here. It's muted because otherwise it fucking kills everything. Submit flag. All right, so that I'm sorry, but we're going to go. I don't even think it's too hard, but just to bump the rating up so people don't get. I'm going to put it as too hard. It's too hard for an easy box. Like it's not an 8 overall compared to anything on HackTheBox, but I don't agree with the rating on that box at all. How do I do a review? Didn't even let me do my review. Yeah, the problem is though, right? Let me HackTheBox. Box requirements. Something like that. Creator. Here we go. I think this is it. Okay, here we go. You may follow the best practices listed below. Easy. Typically 2 to 3 steps. CVE with script or Metasploit without modification. No binary exploitation. Only the most basic scripting required. Like, typically 2 to 3 steps. Okay, how many steps were there in that chat? Let's count them all. I mean, at a rough estimate, I would say over 10. Medium is typically around 3 steps. I mean, even medium boxes on HackTheBox aren't around 3 steps. Custom exploitation, but straightforward. Path clear from context. I think this is the thing that trips everyone up. Custom exploitation, but straightforward. Like, I guess in this case, there was technically nothing exploit, right? It was just using stuff like Crackmatic Deck. Yeah, it was just password brute forcing. But I don't think just because you have... I think, honestly, if it was password brute forcing, it should be in here. Like, an easy should include, like, just literally all you're doing is searching for passwords, right? But it's weird because... I mean, by that definition, it would be an easy box, but it's not. It's just stupid. Like, I don't find the first bit getting onto the box wasn't too bad. It was just a lot of annoying stuff. I still wouldn't say it's easy. Custom exploitation, maybe keep that in with the I don't know, brute forcing or something. It's definitely a medium. Maybe not a hard. This whole custom exploitation chain together different exploits. Or complex concepts, I don't know. It's just kind of dumb. But yeah, it might be just because, look, they got $200 guaranteed, a $50 quality bonus. Whereas for a medium, it's up to $500 already, you know? I mean, Death Zombie, it's not really better because they don't follow any of this. Most easy boxes on HackTheBox are in this category here. Or to be honest, even if you're following steps, I don't know what they define as a step, right? Like, what is a step here? That a medium box is typically around 3. I don't think I've ever seen a medium box which has 3 steps. It's like 20. But then again, I don't know what a step is. Like, for me, a step would be, in this case, finding the web server is a 1 step. All right? Like, maybe don't count discovering this attachment, but maybe decrypting these passwords. is a step, right? And then the final step would be using one of these passwords against the usernames to get an account, the hazard account. That's 3 steps, right? Already, and we've just got the first account. So according to this, if we're just going by steps, this is already not even just a medium. It's medium to get the first user. Most boxes, I think, on HackTheBox are this, but of course most boxes can't be rated insane. But again, I don't know what the hell steps are. Who knows? On the screens of my socials, please follow me on Twitter, join my Discord server, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, please follow me on Twitch.